Hi everybody, welcome to your Walkthrough Wednesday. This is episode number 9. I'm Sean Dillman. I was recently speaking with a client, and it occurred to me that I wanted to explain more about why I believe that it is so important that you schedule your email delivery. I already have a video which describes generally what I'm trying to achieve, but I wanted to make this specific video to show the problem that I'm trying to overcome. So if you go into a new message in Microsoft Outlook and click on Options and then Delay Delivery, you can select a time and date here where it says Do Not Deliver Before. By selecting a time and date here, you can control when the email will be sent. For example, I can draft this email at 8 o'clock in the morning, but set it to send later in the afternoon. I could also set it to send tomorrow morning, or tomorrow afternoon, or some other date in the future. In general, I use delay delivery for every email that I draft. Why? The answer is simple. I intentionally respond to all of my email in the morning, and then set it to send in the afternoon, because I don't want to be interrupted while I'm writing and sending emails. For example, let's say that it's Monday morning and I've received 5 new emails from clients over the weekend. I'm looking at the emails at 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's say that it takes me 10 minutes to draft an email to the first client and then 5 more to draft an email to the second client. While I'm drafting an email to the third client, I may receive an email back from either the first client or the second client or both. The problem with this is that it may distract me, interrupt me, or unnecessarily increase the speed of the communications. For example, let's say that none of the 5 emails from the clients are urgent or time critical, and that they could all wait for responses until the end of the day, or even until the next day or the day after that. By scheduling my emails to send at the end of the day, I exert control in 2 important ways. Number 1, I ensure that none of the 5 clients will send me a distracting response email, because I won't be sending them an email until the afternoon. Number 2, I cause the speed of communications to slow down, and I get all of my email work done at the beginning of the day. This allows me to do all of my emailing at once, and not spend other time during the day responding to email. Another great benefit is that all of my scheduled email will be here in the outbox, waiting for the scheduled time to send. If during the day I realize that I forgot to say something in the email, or I forgot to attach a document, I can go back into the email message and make whatever changes I like before it's sent. Also, something may happen during the day, or I may get a new piece of information that may also make me want to change what the email says. If I decide that I would rather send the email immediately instead of waiting for the scheduled time, I can go into the delay delivery section and simply uncheck the box next to Do Not Deliver Before. More generally, scheduling my emails in this way trains my clients to respect my time and understand that they likely won't get an immediate response from me if they send an email. They may only get a response the next day or the day after that, although I try my best to respond to all email within 24 hours. With that, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you found it to be helpful. If you did, please comment below, leave a like, subscribe, and follow. If you have an idea for next week's Walkthrough Wednesday, please let me know. As always, I'm Sean Dillman.